Oh, good morning. I don't ever get up this early because I work nights. Anyway, we're going to Hill's Garage so Zury Fab can get that thing going. Yeah, exhaust is worse than I thought it was going to be. I was hoping we could save the downpipe. Downpipe's cracked, busted. So we gotta get a full exhaust done, reworked. Money. So that's fun. We're taking the Z because the Skyline's already there. And then as far as me picking up the Skyline, the wife's in another state doing training, so I guess Uber sponsor me. Anywho, yeah. I just want to point out that I keep going from left-hand drive to right-hand drive to left-hand drive. It's really fucking confusing. Like, the blinkers are on the wrong side. The fucking, like, everything's like, it's just confusing. Excuse me, I'm trying to go fast. Just kidding. Anyway, yeah. Oh, I got a 370 that wants to play. Oh, what's up there, bud? Bye, 370. You need to gain some weight. It's impossible. Alright, so we're getting the Skyline done tomorrow. Well, today, but it'll be done tomorrow. Who's always got nice cars, man? We're home. I'm tired. So the exhaust will be worked on tonight and we'll be ready tomorrow. We'll get that rolling. Hung out at the shop for a while because I got nothing to do today. Yeah, same kid I raced in the white 370 got a motordyne exhaust put on. That was in the video. Sounds pretty good. I cannot wait to hear the RB with an actual exhaust on it. Like, I'm pretty pumped about that. So I'll do a video tomorrow if I have time before work. If it gets done late, I'll pick it up and then go right to work. But if it gets done in time, I'm definitely getting some exhaust vids. Yeah, just a quick video. Like, subscribe. You know the drill. See you guys on the next one.